I'm back in the voice. Get it? You know, because in the previous video I wasn't using a voice. It's not even a joke. Why would I say get it? Yeah, I'm gonna continue off from where we left off last time, where we created this whole fun thing about animals. You know, animal. We created this entire class. What I want to do in today's video is actually going to try to create some sort of like a collection for it. So like maybe like a family, maybe like a barn, that kind of thing. That's what I'm gonna be trying to do today, and also gonna be making a little bit of a better method of actually doing this without having to have all these weird strings. So we're just gonna pass in an animal, and then it will actually be getting all of that from that. That probably doesn't make any sense, but you kind of get the point. So stop that. Private static void. Wait, do I not have any suggestions? Oh wait, I do. Void get info. I'm gonna call it get info because I don't know. And then we're gonna have ourselves animal. Okay, let's import that animal, and then open and close curly braces, just like that. So it's a void method. We should be able to get everything that we need. So what we need to do is we're going to copy over this line, paste this right here. So we're just gonna have to pass in an animal value here. To do that, what we're gonna do, just gonna have to delete all of this and actually give it a shot. So get info pig and shift F10 to run. Jeremy's a 12-year-old male pig. Okay, that definitely works. And then inside that family, we're actually going to create a new Java class. So here we are. And I have a very specific thing I would actually like to do with this one, right? This is how we create a Java generic. I don't know if it's called Java generic, but you're gonna get the point. Yes, so Java generics, these are just to make sure that we can only take in a specific type. So T, we're gonna say extends animal. That way we can only get animals or subclasses of animal right here. So we have that. Bit of a fast forward here. So what we just created was we created the different fields that we're going to need for the class. So T animal. T stands for type. So it's going to be the type of animal that we get. That's why it says T extends animal. That means we can only get animal, like I've already said. So we can only get animals and subclasses of animals. So whatever animal we pass in here, for example, cat, T will become cat. So it'll be cat, you know, all that good stuff. So we have all this to actually show that this is the animal. So cat 1, cat 2, cat 3, that kind of thing. And then string is gonna string family name is just gonna be the name of the family that we set. I also did set 3 different constructors depending on the number of animals that exist in the family. So you can have 2 animals, or you can have 3 animals, you can even have 4 animals, and at the end you're gonna have to provide a string name. That's basically what I've done. In it at the end of it, I have added in a getter method, so a get family name, so we can actually get the name of the family that we've registered. That's about it. So I'm gonna go to here, and then I'm actually gonna have to create a brand new family. But for that, we're gonna have to create a bunch of pigs. All right, so we've now created our thing, our animals. We now need to stack them in a family. So we can say family of type. Now we need to actually pass in something that extends the animal class. So we could just say animal here. It'll probably work all the same. It'll be animal family, but we kind of want to have cats only. So let's say of type cat. And now I have multiple different constructors to pick from. So we got animal, animal mate. So let's just pick the cat. And then we need to have a very descriptive name for these. So family name is going to be the cats. The cats. and then a family name. Oinkers. I am the best when it comes to naming stuff, by the way. So yeah, and then we're gonna have to actually print out something. Yeah, so we're here, and I think we should be able to run this. Does it work? We're about to find out. The cats, oinkers, yes, that definitely does work, and it's pretty cool. We should probably go a step further because this is actually just kind of boring, right?
Instinct.
And Shift F10 to run. If we did everything correctly, it should now print what we wanted to print. Yes, the cats, Jake, Josie, Jennifer, Alyssa, and oinkers, Jeremy, Jeanette, Henry. Jeremy, Jeanette, Henry, Jake, Josie, Jennifer, and Alyssa. Yeah, that works. That works very fire. Jeremy's a 12-year-old pig. It's perfect, actually. So I had multiple get info. So get info, cat. No, car, cat. Another one, get info, pig 1. And then finally, get info, cat 1 as well. Shift F10 to run. And yeah, should be a lot more stuff here. Boom. See, pretty fun stuff. So there's a lot more we can do with that animal one. We're probably gonna have to do a bit of adding, but yeah, other than that, that's a fun thing. So yeah, I think this was a fun project to do. Give it a shot. Let me know if you would like to do anything else. Actually, don't. Please don't.